Hi, my name is Mahesh Lavanas and I would like to welcome you to an overview of Nest Egg, which is a personal retirement planning software. We'll go over some of the top features of Nest Egg and also some design principles on which it has been created. You will see a video of me whenever I have to make a key point, so please keep that in mind and let's get started. So what's Nest Egg? Nest Egg is a personal retirement planning software. It allows you to do three things. It allows you to track your day-to-day expenses, it allows you to track your assets, and it allows you to simulate your retirement plan. Technically, it is a Java web application, so you deploy it on a server and you can access it from your web browser. It is available to you free of charge under the GNU GPL open source license. Before we dive into the software, I would like to caution you about some very important aspects of Nest Egg. First of all, retirement planning is a very delicate matter. Nest Egg is a computational tool. It's not a consulting tool. It cannot plan your retirement for you. You need to consult a very competent and trusted financial expert for doing your actual retirement planning. This is what Nest Egg looks like when you open it in your browser. It gives you a login screen and you can see the menu of Nest Egg in the top part of the page. These menu options allow you to access different features of Nest Egg and we'll be following them during the course of our presentation. So let us start by logging into Nest Egg. Once you log in, you see the welcome screen. You'll get a snapshot of your current assets and you can now start accessing the different features of Nest Egg. Let us start with the track menu which appears on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and what this presents is a form for me to enter my day-to-day expenses. So today, if I had an expense of $15, I choose a date, and I spent it on food at a restaurant, I can just enter that information here and click create. This will create a record for me of the expense that I just entered. I can look at my records by going to the bottom of the page. I can select a date, so I'll select today's date and I click show, and you can see that the expense that I just entered of $15 on restaurant has already been entered as a record in the Nest Egg database. Just like you can enter your expenses, you can also enter any income that you made on a certain day, and you can also enter tax that you might pay on any day. All this gets recorded in the Nest Egg database. At the end of the month, if you wanted to go back and see how your money was spent, you can scroll down to your already created records, select the dates. So let us see how I spent money in the month of February. So I select the 1st of February as my start date and the 28th of February as my end date, and I click on show. And this brings up all my expenses for the month of February. If we wanted to plot this information on a graph so that we can see it more visually, we go to options, plot records. We select the year for which we want our results. So let us say we want our results for 2009. We select the entity that we want to be plotted. Let us select total expense and we click on plot. And this shows us how we spent our money during the year 2009 for the different months. These numbers here represents the month. So this is February, April, June, and so on. We can also plot specific entities. For example, let us, instead of plotting the total expense, let us see how much money we spent for gas on our car Let's also see how much money we spent on the movies. So we click on plot, and here we see two graphs, one for the expense of the car, gas for the car, and the other is how much money we spent going to the movies during the year 2009. I would like to bring your attention to a small detail. These categories that you see here do not come canned with nest egg. You are free to create your own categories by going to options and clicking on create category. You just saw how easy it is in nest egg to track your day-to-day expenses. It will take you hardly a minute to make an entry for what you spent during the course of the day, and then at the end of the month or end of the year you can plot all your expenses and see how you spent your money in the different categories. This will give you more control over your expenses and also find you places where you can maybe save some money.